Hi guys, how are you all doing? So in today's video I'm going to share with you my SYMTTEN box, what I got. So basically SYMTTEN is like an app or website where you get free trials or free samples of products. You have to just download the app, see what you like in sense of skincare, makeup. They don't have makeup, sorry, skincare, hair care, and also they have lots of different varieties of tea. So the funda of SYMTTEN is like there are lots of high-end products in the market where you want to try those products, but because of financial conditions or because the products are really high and all, you don't want to invest in those particular products. You first feel like trying those products and then actually buying the full size, because the full size retails for like 4,000, 5,000 rupees. So the SYMTTEN app is like that you get sample sizes of really cheap high-end products, and then you can use it for yourself and see if it works, and then you can go on purchasing high-end. And the samples which they give are literally free. You have to just pay for delivery charges, that is something like 125, but including taxes and all, I had to pay 149, exactly 149. And also the fact that the delivery charges, what you pay, you will get it back in your wallet itself. That is how it works. So you get exactly 125 rupees back in your wallet. Wallet means there is a wallet in the SYMTTEN app itself. So when you get your SYMTTEN products, whatever you have chosen, like sample sizes, when you get the delivery, what happens is after receiving your delivery, 125 rupees is included in your voucher. You get a voucher, so that is like a voucher inside the app. So when you're buying other product from SYMTTEN, then 125 rupees is minus from your original product. Like if you're buying just take like if you're buying 300 rupees product, maybe a face wash, and then they will minus 125 out of it, and whatever is remaining, only that you have to pay on that particular product. That is how it works, and that is all the funda. But my take was like they claim to give like a lot of high-end high-end product samples and all, but I didn't find any high-end products on their trials or like sample section, which is something very annoying, and which is very I think I didn't understand the fact, because it was literally the thing that they are claiming that they are giving very high-end products on they're literally giving like high-end products as a sample and trial free, but there was no high-end products which I didn't came across. There were a lot of products which I never have heard about. I've never seen those products, so I had to Google and see the products, and then I got 4 of the products in the box today. So I received this box maybe last week, but I was sitting to film this for a really long time. So this is the thing about SYMTTEN. They claim to give a lot of high-end brand samples, but I have seen nothing. But if you have to just pay rupees 149, like 125 and including tax, it gets into 149 or 50 rupees, 150. You get quite bit good products from them. So I have not tried any of this, so this is just gonna be like an informative video for you and like what I got. So basically this is sort of box as I told you, and it came inside with this it came like that in this sort of a packet, and inside this packet there were products. So I got 4 products. So the first product I got is only the one product which I actually know out of all these 4 is this one. So this is the Asfaran Organics SPF. So this actually is 50 SPF, and this is something which I have known in India, and the original, like this particular brand is not that expensive. It is very affordable. You get like the full size of this particular product around 300 or 400 rupees. So I didn't understand that fact. And also the thing that when I had put this particular product in my cart, like as a sample, it was showing there in a tube, but I got it in sachet, which is so not done, because if you're showing something else in your camera and you're sending something else, I think that is really bad. So that is the thing which I just wanted to put it up there. The sachet actually claims the price. So this actually retails, one sachet retails for 30, and each of those both of them retails 60 rupees. Okay, the next one I got is a hair mask, which is from brand Mystical. I have not even heard about. I actually googled this, and I have seen that it's like very it's like foreign based brand. I don't know exactly from where this is, or I have not even seen any reviews much on YouTube about this particular product, so I don't know how well known this particular product is. I actually saw the consistency of the product. This is very powdery, so I don't know how hair mask should be powdery. Hair mask is literally usually to be like mask which you have to apply and then put it, like it should be basically cream based, but this is like powder based, so I don't understand its funda. So I don't know. I'm not that excited about this particular product. The next thing I got is a jasmine green tea, because there was not in trial. They claim to sell a lot of products, but there were nothing. There were just more than 7 to 8 products. When I was scrolling down in the trial section, I was not actually finding any much products, and the worst part of the app is that they have not actually segregated or like made their app very attractive and all, like they don't have like a very proper paste of like trials, and then when you type trials, then there are a lot of products there and all, and there is not like proper sections and all. That is something which I hate about it. But let's roll with it. So this is something which I got because they were like very weird products like beard oil, hair oil, this oil, that oil, and that is something which was not making me like to try it, because I have basic coconut oil will do the job. So I wanted something very different. When you're trying samples and all, you want to use something very different, right? So this is the thing I got. And the last thing I got is very different, and usually I don't use such products, but I thought that this product is something very different and I would love to use it. So this is by brand Sheer Secrets, which is something which I have again not heard about. So this is a body and foot mist. So when your body, I don't know if I can use this in the body, because this has really like the fragrance of like, you know, the mint base. So it's very not that attractive sort of fragrance. It's very vegetable sort of fragrance. I don't know how to frame it. So this is a really good for your foot and all, to be honest, because no one is going to sniff that particular part. As you can see, the tube, like the bottle is like that. Obviously it's sample size. So these are the 4 products what I got in my SYMTTEN box. Come to the real facts about this app. So they say that they actually sell a lot of samples of really high-end brands in their on their app, but that is something which I didn't found only. I don't know if it was out of stock or something like that, but they don't even show that it's out of stock, so you can't know. And if you want to try like really high end, so basically when you download the app, you will see that there is like a photo of Calvin Klein perfume that you get sample in 2 ml. That is what they say in the when you're downloading the app. That is what they say in the pictures, what is there uploaded down. So but I didn't see any Calvin Klein. I didn't see any high end brand in their trial section. And when I saw YouTubers talking about this particular SYMTTEN thing, they were showing very random products what they got. They did none of the YouTubers have shown like high-end trials what they got. So I don't think so this particular app has like high-end what they claim. Like they claim to give high-end samples, like high-end products ka samples what they claim, but I have not seen there any high-end samples. So that is something which I just want to put up there. The next thing is that, as I said, that 125 rupees is literally you get into a voucher, like you get into back into your cart. So when you're purchasing something, then 125 gets minus out of your total. But the thing is that they don't you have to buy a full size product for that. You don't get samples again. After buying one time, like after purchasing sample once, you have to buy a full size product, and then only then 125 gets minus. And also the fact that they have like a period of time till when the 125 rupees last in your on your voucher. After 1 month, the 125 rupees literally goes away. So that is something which is I didn't like that thing about it. So I'm not gonna buy any high-end product. So I'm not gonna buy any product from their full version, because I feel that all of the product what they're selling, you get it on Nykaa for more cheap price. So I have just thought that 149 was just the price what I've paid for these 4 samples, and that is okay. I would not regret it. 149 is not that big deal. So yes, that is what I wanted to tell you guys. So SYMTTEN was like very people are talking about it like crazy. You get free free products, this and that, but it doesn't make sense at all, because at last you have to buy full size to get 125 rupees back in your pocket. So that is the thing, you don't get money back in your account or in the box itself. That is something which you don't get it. So they are very smart. And what the thing about them is that, okay, one more thing, that when if you want to buy a full size product from their app, all the full size product retails more than all the full size products is more than 300 rupees. So it's not like if you buy 200 rupees product, then 125 gets minus and you have to just pay like 50-60 rupees. That doesn't work. They have products more than 300 rupees, and also they actually add GST and all, which actually makes the total really high. So you have to buy products more than 600 to 700 only, then the shipping charges and the GST is free. So they are very smart in all of these things. All of these things is something which I've never seen YouTubers talking about. YouTubers were just showing products and all, but there were a lot of things linked with this which they didn't talk about. And when I shopped myself, I have seen all of this, so that's why I've just wanted to make you guys aware. So this is not like a very good app to buy trials and all. It doesn't make sense. Just shop for yourself and see how it works. But this is my experience and this is the fact. If you see the reviews and all in the sections of Play Store and all, when you're downloading the app, when you see the section of reviews, you will see people talking about the same thing what I'm talking right now. So yeah, these are the things which I wanted to point up today. I hope that you liked it. If you want me to make more such videos, definitely let me know and I will do it for you guys. So yeah, not excited about any of this product except the sunscreen because it's known brand. So yeah, I hope you like it. Like my videos, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Follow me on Instagram for my latest videos. I do a lot of portraits there. I do share of my art things over there. And if you want me to do more paint videos relatedly, make sure that you let me know. I will do it for you guys. And yeah, any suggestions, let me know everything in the comments. I get a lot of DMs directly from you sometimes. So yeah, thank you for sticking by. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.